welcome to the quick tech tutorial.
Today for this video of quick tech, I will be showing you how to delete your Twitter account. Now to begin the process, open the Twitter application. Once you're at the home page, you need to tap on profile icon on the top left, and there you need to tap on setting and support. Scroll down, tap on setting and privacy. Here on this page of setting, you tap on your account. In the Your Account page, you will have the Deactivate Account on the very bottom. Tap that. So this is the deactivation process. So on this Deactivate Your Account page, you will need to read and go through the information that is provided to you. Basically, you can restore your Twitter account if it was accidentally or wrongfully deactivated for up to 30 days after deactivation. So once you have deactivated your account, you will have 30 days time period to reactivate. Once the 30 days time period is gone, your account will be permanently deleted. Now tap on deactivate. For deactivation, you type in the password, then tap on deactivate. Your account will be deactivated. If you are sure, tap on yes, deactivate. Your account is deactivated. So this is how you can deactivate your Twitter account. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the quick tech tutorial. Thank you.